Hey Jason, how's it going? It's Ashley. I took the initiative to make this video for you because I did a lot of competitive research in the area and I see just how much business they're getting to their website and how much you guys are getting, which is not a lot at all. I'm going to break it all down for you, show you yourself the numbers, and instead of me just telling you. So I'm going to keep this video nice, short, sweet, to the point. There's going to be a lot of information in this video, but when you're finished watching it, reach out. Let's talk some more. Like I said, the potential for you guys is literally endless for your guys' service industry in the areas that you guys go to, like Fort Worth, like Dallas, Texas. And I really want to help you guys out. At the end of the day, we're here to help you guys. And that's just that. We're here to help you guys bring in more business, bring in more traffic, meet those personal, business, financial goals. And yeah, so first things first, your guys' site. I'll start with that. Love this picture here. Love the trucks in the background with your guys' logo on the background or on the sides of the trucks. Love this picture. It's actually really good for building trust. Now you can have the best looking site that there is, but if you do not have the power going to your site, then you're just going to have a nice looking website on page 20 of Google that does nothing for you. If you're not on the first page of Google, you're not maximizing your traffic to its fullest potential. So I'm going to show you here in a little bit a few of your competitors and the type of traffic they're getting being on the first page. So if we scroll through on your site, I see your guys' header is down here. Whoever built this website for you guys probably went off a template. That's probably why they did it this way. What I'd recommend is moving this entire header right from the start where it should be. Now, when it comes to having a website, it's all about how user-friendly it is, how easy it is to navigate, and being able to cater to different types of people. So what I mean by that is when somebody comes to your site, they don't want to have to scroll and dig and click just to see the services you offer, let alone what areas you're located in. So having that listed right from the start without them having to scroll, it makes your site that much more user-friendly, and that is very important to have a user-friendly site. So definitely would recommend moving that up here. Now in your header, I do see the drop down for the 3 dots for the services you guys offer. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't like that. 50% of people know enough to click it. 50% of people end up scrolling through your site to find your services because they don't know enough to click the 3 dots to find your services. And then, like I said earlier, if they're scrolling, then they're going to end up, leaving your site, and now you're losing out on business just because your site is not as user-friendly as it could or should be. Now, I do see how you guys have your phone number down here. Again, move that all the ways up here. It is a click-to-call phone number, which is great for client conversion. I would not only have a click-to-call phone number right up at the start and at the end like you do, but I'd have it all throughout your site. Again, it just makes your site that much more user-friendly. Now, I don't see a form submit up here, so that's definitely something I'd recommend for you is a form submit somewhere up here at the top. They're great for client conversions, but it caters to a specific type of person also. Some people come to your site to get your phone number to talk to you on the phone, while other people don't want to have to talk on the phone. They'd much rather fill out a form. So having different ways for people to get a hold of you for the services you guys offer is really, really important. So moving on down to your guys' content, which this is all your content that I'm talking about. You guys have a little bit, but it's not enough to be considered an authority in the eyes of Google. So to be considered an authority, you guys need at least 1,500 to 2,000 words, and not just of any old content. It needs to be keyword-rich, authoritative content. So what I'd recommend for you guys to do is definitely go get more content on this homepage here of yours. And first off, if you don't have enough content, we're not able to fit in keywords strategically throughout. Therefore, you'll be flagged for keyword stuffing. We do not want that to happen. Next, if you don't have enough content, Google isn't able to decipher what your business is, if you're a legit business or not. Therefore, it can't rank you accordingly. Now, what we do is we do competitive keyword research. We find the keywords that would benefit you, that we know you would get business from. We contact our professional writers. They write your content around those keywords and they embed them in that content. So there is a strategic way to go about doing all of this, so just be careful if you do decide to do that yourself. Now, coming over here, I did a general search in the area, and these guys from the organic section are one of your competitors. Now, I'm going to show you how to beat these guys, but if we look at their site, it's a nice looking site. It's a lot more user friendly. All of their services listed right from the start. Click to call phone number. As well as look at all of this beautiful content that Google is eating up. Google loves this. Now, yes, they do have a lot more content than you guys. That's obviously one of the reasons they're currently outranking you. But once we go and get that content on your guys' homepage that's professionally written, I will be beating these guys out as far as content goes in no time. Now, coming back here, I'm going to break down Google for you. So the first thing off from this search that I did is what's called the Google My Business. And getting in this area requires a few different things, which one of those is what's called a citation. I'm not sure if you know what a citation is, but basically it's your business's name, address, and phone number listed across the web in different directories like Angie's List, Yelp, BBB, so on and so forth. Not only that, it requires having reviews, posting on your GMB listing weekly, so on and so forth. So as you can see, you guys are not listed in this GMB section here. That's a problem because you guys are missing out on the business that strictly comes to this section here. So what I'd recommend for you guys to do to get in this area is to go find out all the citations these guys have themselves listed in. Go list yourself in all those, and on top of like 200-300 more. Whatever your guys' competitors had to do, you guys are going to have to do the same exact thing and then some, because we want to beat your competition. Now, moving on down to this last section of Google, this is the organic section. Now, again, as I scroll through, you cannot see yourselves in here because I went all the way to the 7th page of Google and I did not see you guys. If you're not on this first page, again, it's a problem. You're missing out on business. Nobody's going to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th page of Google. Now, I'm going to show you the type of traffic your guys' competitor is getting being on this first page of Google, and show you what you're getting being on the 8th, 9th, 10th, whatever page of Google you're on, if you're even on Google at all. So to get you in this area, we need to beat out your competition in every aspect possible. Now, just to keep in mind, this area, the organic section, directly deals with your website. This area up here is completely separate. So don't get these two confused. Now, we come over to a paid resource that I pay monthly for to get you down in this organic section. So we're currently looking at your stats, and these are your overall entire website stats, because if I were to go to any other pages, because each and every one of these rank individually, you would have zeros across the board because your site is just not powerful. So your UR, which is how trustworthy or legit Google looks at your site, is a 7. Not bad, but not the greatest. It goes all the way up to a 100. You have 80 backlinks, and you're getting a rating of a 24 from those 80 backlinks. That's not bad. Also, not the greatest. I do see how you guys are running some paid ads right now. You're running 9 off from 9 keywords. I'm not sure what keywords they're targeting, but you definitely should be getting more than just 21 people from those paid ads that you are paying your hard-earned money for. With the search volume in your guys' area, this should be more like 100, if not more. But yeah, so I just want you to be aware of that and maybe find out what keywords you are being targeted for. Now, you are getting only 35 people to your entire site per month. That's nothing, especially once I show you what your competitors are doing and what's possible for you guys to be doing. Now, if we come over to your competitor, we can see that they have a pretty trustworthy site. They have a lot of backlinks. They're not doing too much. These numbers are nothing that I'm scared of. But look at the traffic that they're getting per month. That's a per month number that they're getting. Almost 2,000 people to their site per month, Jason. That's a lot of business you guys are missing out on. Now, keep in mind, this is one of your competitors. If I were to go to Google and type in any other services, type it any other way, even in the same area, let alone a different area, you guys can have completely different competitors. So we need to beat out your competition all across Google for all the keywords you want to be found for. Get you on this first page for all those keywords. And the more times you show up on this first page of Google, all across Google, the better, because you have the potential to have more traffic go to your site. More traffic equals more business, more money. Now, if we come back to these guys, I want to show you why they're getting that traffic and why you guys are not. So if we look at your keywords, these are what you're getting your traffic from. These are what you are being found for. You're getting your most traffic off from your own name, which that's word of mouth traffic. That's people going in Google, already knowing about you and typing your specific name in. You do not have any buyer intent keywords in here that are bringing you traffic because you're on the 9th, 10th, 11th page of Google for those keywords. It's not as simple as having these keywords in your content. You're seeing that. It does nothing for you. We need to add power to each and every one of these keywords in order to gain positions, to get the total volume, to get more traffic for those keywords. Now, if we look at your competitor and what they're being found for, 225 people, 73, 60, 49. They're getting a lot more traffic than you guys. Now, to show you another one of your competitors, 195 traffic you guys are missing out on based on these guys's traffic. Now, I wanted to show you some keywords that are in your guys' area. 200 people are going in Google typing roofer Fort Worth, Texas. You guys are not getting any traffic from that at all. Another 200 people, roofers Fort Worth, Texas. Another 200 roofers Fort Worth, Texas spelled out. Look at that, 200, 250, 250, 200, 200, so on and so forth. You can see it. There is so much potential for you guys and growing your guys' business. It's literally insane. But that's all I have for you right now. I don't want to make this too long for you. So reach out. Let's talk some more. And yeah, we'll go from there. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye, Jason.